Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tony McKeage and we are still in the South Island. At the moment I am 10 kilometres northeast of Blenheim at a place called Marshland. Marshland is a historical large farm that started off its life effectively growing flax for rope, became in the 60s a mixed farm which included growing crops and hay and sheep and cattle, that sort of thing. But now it's basically not operating as a farm, and the buildings are used for their aesthetic value, and there's a reasonable amount of accommodation here. It's had a bit of a sad history. There's been a number of fires which have burnt the homestead and one of the other houses. But I find it quite an interesting place to photograph, and that's what I'm here to do today. I'm in the car because there's a bit of wind out there, and that ruins the audio with this GoPro, and also it's a grey sky. Today I'm heading back home. This vlog will be in 4 different parts. It will be this piece about Marshlands, and I expect to get a couple of photographs here, and then I will go to Picton where I'll catch the ferry at 1:30. But in the later part of the morning I'll take some pictures around Picton, and then as weather permitting, the forecast is not that great. I will take some photos as we cross to Wellington, and then maybe I'll get some photographs on the way home, also weather permitting. But there's a southerly change forecast, and usually with southerlies we get rain. We've had rain overnight from the northwest. When the southerly changes, it generally brings more rain as well. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching so far, and I'll remind you now, if you like the video, please press the thumbs up button, and if you like the channel, please, and want to see more, please press the subscribe button. Thank you. Right, it's around about 9 o'clock in Picton. I've had a bit of a walk around, and while it's overcast and the light is fairly muted, I think that it's not bad photography. The photos that I've taken will follow right now. Thank you. Good afternoon, it's 12:30. I'm about to board the boat. I won't take the GoPro on the boat with me, so there won't be any video of photos. The forecast is for moderate seas, so there may not be many photographs either. Hope I get some more, and hopefully on the way home I get a few more as well.